I will tell you today about Morphotonix, a Swiss high-tech startup in the field of security. We started from the École Polytechnique Fédérale de Lausanne, from the Polytechnical Institute of Lausanne. We're a spin-off, and we're currently located at the Innovation Park of the university in Lausanne. We were twice part of the Swiss national startup team for business development in China and the US in 2015 and 2016. And we're supported by Canton de Vaud as part of their development for high-tech entrepreneurship. The problem that we're solving is counterfeited goods, illegal copies of products, anything from cosmetics to electronics to technical parts to medical consumables, all the way to arm parts. You can see here in 2012, the US Armed Service Committee released a report where they found that up to 3% of the parts in their army products did not have a clear supply chain origin. The way we do it is by embedding the security directly into the product. So you don't need to print, you don't need to label it. It's part of the product as long as the product involves plastic that is molded. You don't need any consumables, you don't change the material, and it looks innovative. It really looks that is made with Swiss quality. The way we do it is by nano-engraving uncopyable security codes in molds, in steel molds, used for plastic injection molding. We engrave with a patented technology with a resolution and precision of 120,000 dpi. Usually when you print, it's 2,000 dpi on your printer. We send the nano-engraved molds back to the production site, and then the plastic products replicate from the molds everything that we have engraved. Hence, the plastic part is secured against illegal copies from the moment it is created. An example, if you take vitamins, yeah? In the US, in Australia, in Asia, they come in a bottle with a cap. The cap snaps when you open it. It breaks, there is a ring that breaks. But if a counterfeiter wanted to put different vitamins or vitamin-like parts in the bottle, they could just as well copy the plastic cap and put another one. And the plastic cap snaps when you open the vitamin bottle, but it's not the original. You don't know what you're eating. A plastic cap is made in a mold with multiple cavities, as you can see there. And as it comes out from the injection molding facility, it looks simple. It's a black cap. It's a black closure. Of course, you can put a label, you can print with UV inks, but these are all costly post-processing events, and you need consumables as well. What we propose is nano-engraving with security codes the molds themselves, and what we nano-engrave in the molds is replicated into the cap in this instance, giving this holographic type visual effect straight from the production line. So the holographic part comes from the fact that the engraving is very, very small. It splits the light. Again, this is not a label, this is not printing. You inject liquid plastic and the product comes as you see it. We can work with your custom design on complex shapes of molds and cavities. Here you can see a couple of examples. The designs, the inserts that you see on the left top were used for live demo in Fakuma and Swiss Plastics, some of the leading European plastic events last year. And we work with a lot of partners, as well as our clients. We work with Clariant, with DuPont, and our hologram on cap for pharmaceuticals was selected in the innovation platform of PharmaPack in Paris last year, together with a German partner. So we secure anything that's plastic against illegal copies. Thank you very much.